So the more we discuss many things, the more it gives you an insight to how wide the field of orthopedics is. So I'm going to discuss what is known as a Bloom syndrome. Bloom syndrome. Bloom like what? B-L-O-O-M. Okay. So I have a Bloom syndrome. I have the picture here. I'll upload, I'll get to upload all the videos later on. But it's on our orthopedic channel. Alright. So probably if you want to know our orthopedic channel, simply comment on this video and I'll drop you the link to the orthopedic channel. So Bloom syndrome, we said that is a rare inherited disorder and it affects the way you grow. It also affects your immune system and it increases the risk of you having cancer. So it's caused by a mutation in a gene known as what? The BLM gene. Okay, which is found on the chromosome 15, Q26.1. That's the location. So it's inherited in an autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive meaning even if one of your parents have it, you can have the issue. So that's what we have. Then, the BML gene that is mutated encodes what? A DNA helicase, which is involved in maintaining genomic stability. Okay. So the individual, what are the characteristics of someone having a Bloom syndrome? The person is short, sun-sensitive skin. So once the person goes into the sun, there's a whole lot of issues, alright, especially on the face. Okay, you are immunodeficient. Your immune system is very weak. Okay, if you have a Bloom syndrome, there's high risk of having cancers like leukemia, lymphomas, solid tumors at a young age. Fertility issues. Males are infertile, then females too. Okay, we can't really say they will be completely infertile, but they usually have issues conceiving. So laboratory findings, you see that there's increased sister chromatin exchanges in cultured cells. Then there's also chromosomal instability. All right. So clinical significance is individuals with Bloom syndrome have a marked increased risk of what? Having cancers. So they should always be checked for cancers. Okay, and they should always be protected from the sun because the sun causes a lot of skin damage in these individuals and their immune system is weak, just like we said from the beginning. So infection control due to what? Immune deficiency. Treatment is basically what? Symptomatic. So if you expose them to sun, issues will come. So don't expose them to sun. Do you understand? If they are exposed to infection, issues will come. So protect them from infection. So that's basically the idea of Bloom syndrome. So that's it.